I've been shopping for the channel, not for me or a vacuum cleaner. Yes, it was ad revenue payday the other day. So I bought a Softbox lighting kit. Let's see what this is all about then. Hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I've left my scissors over here. Yes, I've been a little bit disappointed with the quality of my own videos recently. I did a couple the other day which are coming up. I'll be honest, the lighting isn't the best. It got quite late in the day. I only had the big lights at my mum's and yeah, gonna put them up because well, I filmed them now and I don't want to break a vacuum that I've just fixed. But it was payday YouTube the other day and I always try and reinvest in the channel, so to speak. It's the money from the channel, so it may as well go back on the channel. Normally I buy a vacuum or two or parts or the odd payday tank of fuel. But this month I thought I would buy the finest lighting kit I could find on the cheapest lighting kit I could find on eBay from a place called Cowboy Studio. That bodes well, doesn't it? Yeah. So I thought I may as well film me setting it up, really. Ooh. I wish to see what it's like. So there's lots of boxes. And some little bags. What have we got in the little bags? Oh, blimey. It's all in kit form. Right, let's lay it all out and hope we find some instructions. But there are several bulbs. Some photographic light bulbs. 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. What's in here? A bulb holder. I imagine that's what's in this box as well. And I'm going to go out on a whim and say that this is, well, these are the tripods. Right, let's put that up there. Get it open, really. There. Albert Einstein I am not, but I know a tripod when I see one. Ooh. I don't want to force it because it's possibly going to be quite cheap. But really, there we go. So there's one. That is definitely a tripod. Here is the second one, which is also a tripod. There we go, that will do. Cowboy Studio. I've never heard of them either. I still haven't found any instructions though. I'm going to assume then that it's all fairly self-explanatory. Let's hope it is. It should be, I'll be honest. This looks like the bulb holders. There we go. Undo the cable. He says not being able to undo the little timer. There we go, yeah. Fairly long flex. I think I actually saw a spare fuse. Where's that gone? Oh yes. There's a fuse there. I'm presuming that there is already a fuse fitted. Yes, there is. There is a fuse fitted. And this is a super lamp holder SL3. So there we go. And I'm presuming these just sort of go on here really. I'm going to go out on a whim and take those off. And then screw this onto the tripod, yes. There we go, and we'll do the other one. I'm hoping I can sort of pack it all away in its bag without having to take it down every single time, really. Now, let me just hoik you up a little bit, there we go. So yeah, because my camera, although it is a full HD camera, obviously doesn't like no nothing. Unfortunately, I've been doing rather too much. Oh, this one hasn't got a spare bulb. Oh, yes, it has, it's in the box. So I feel robbed and want my money back. Yeah, because I can only really film in low light. That's why the quality of my production hasn't been fantastic. So I'm hoping this might help. If it doesn't, I tried. There we go. I reckon this could possibly go down a little bit. Yes, there we go. And then we've got to open up these bulbs. There we go, these are image rays, 55 watts, 5500K, which I think is some sort of brightness measure. But as you're probably aware, photography isn't my strong point. All I'm hoping is it just makes things a little bit lighter so we can see the vacuums a bit better. Ooh, there we go. God, I'm glad the recycling bin's empty. In fact, I need to do a tip run for a friend tomorrow, so I think I might just chuck it all in the car and take it straight to the tip. That's assuming it works anyway. Right. There we go. I'll do the second one in a minute. We'll stick with this one because now this will be not a dog collar. I think this is the box part of the light box. One would imagine. Yes, now they do fit on there. I'm not entirely sure. What are those instructions? Why do they assume that everybody knows what they're doing? I don't know what I'm doing ever. Going by the fact that this end fits in the light, I'm going to go out on a whim and say this end just goes in there. That's interesting, there's like double Velcro there. Okay. Does this go over the bulbs? Right. Why do I get the feeling this probably should have gone on first? Let's take those out. This is more tricky than it looks, especially with no help with the instructional variety anyway. Well, I'm really hoping I can just let them cool down and stick them back in the box as they are, but I don't think I can. So that's going to be interesting. So it is a cheap kit. Don't be under any illusions that I spent. Oh blimey, you know what, I think that does go. Hang on. Oh God. I think I've done this a bit wrong. I reckon, take that off. Put the cable through the hole. think they do that, you know. Can't see anything, hang on. There's one. Two. I'm sure this might work a lot better if I can keep them up permanently. This might be a little bit of an annoyance. Well, what can you do? Oh yeah, that's in the wrong hole. That's much better there. Gosh, it bends. Three. Oh, this one's going to be the most difficult, isn't it? Ah. Just my pen. Four. Haha, that's in the wrong one. Something, I think. Really, hang on, this one's now in the wrong place. Four, there we go, something like that. Maybe I should have looked for a collapsible one. But I'm sure I'll get used to it. I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, no, you can't see that either. I need a cameraman. There we go. That's... Definitely can't see that. Ooh, there we go. Right. I'm going to pause and get the other one set up so we don't take forever. Back in a minute. Right. Bit more of a faff than I was anticipating, I'll be honest. But they're all set up now and ready for the switch on. So I've got Le Mille here. Let's see how much of a difference this makes. There's one set. And two. Oh, blimey, this is bright. Very, very bright. But I'm just looking at my viewfinder here. You can actually see stuff. I mean, I'll probably need to work out the positioning. So put this one towards the front, maybe. This is all new to me, so there needs to be a little bit of tweaking. But already, just on the camera, I can see that that is much better. Let's go in for a closer shot and see what it's like. Yes, that's quite a bit nicer, really. I mean, it's all going to take some tweaking to get used to it, but hopefully it's not dark anymore. But if I do something silly like open the bag door, you might actually be able to see inside the machine, something which you haven't been able to do. God, this is bright. So very bright. I don't want to show too much because it's nearly February. This is going to be going soon. But yes, we have some lighting. I mean, I'm going to definitely have a look at just leaving the hoods off because they are a bit of a faff. Yeah, I mean, I can show you stuff now and you might actually be able to see it. On the Miele S4 video, S5 video, S500, Miele Revolution 500 video, you couldn't see too much because it was so flipping dark. bring you up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, dusting brush, which you can see. Hallelujah, you can see inside of the things that I show you. So there we go. I have spent £40 delivered, and it came today as well, which is amazing. It came via Yodel. If anybody in the UK knows Yodel, they don't normally come in 24 hours, but they did. So let's see how this works. I'll try lots of different things. So you might see a few differences on some videos, but that's how we learn. If anything doesn't look right on screen, please do tell me and we'll fix it. Can't say further than that. I can only see inside this little viewfinder. That isn't the best quality viewfinder, and obviously by the time I've edited all the videos, I'm putting them up on YouTube because they do look different on YouTube to the editing software. They look a little bit better sometimes. I think YouTube processing stuff does it, but I'm then not going to take it down. I'm certainly not going to refilm it. If we fix something, I'm not going to break it again. God, this is hot. Get used to this. So there we go. This is why people like me like subscribers, like advertising revenue. You see the adverts, I hope you push skip because I still get the money. I don't know if you get any more clicking on it, I wouldn't ask you to, but all the YouTube hoo-ha that's going on at the minute, there's lots of channels like I was. Luckily I was very close. I got the email on 930 and lots of you subscribed very quickly to get me over 1,000. Thank you very much. Talking to Dorian from Hooverlux today, having one of my little chatettes. He needs about another 200. But, and this is what I didn't realise, it's not just the money that you lose. You can't schedule, you lose the analytics, you lose all the insights, which I use quite a lot. That's why I do some of the videos I do, because they're popular. You lose all that, I didn't fully realise that, so subscribe to Dorian, Mr. Hooverlux. If you don't, I have had a sneak peek at his new intro video and it's pretty flipping good. You'll see that on apparently next Monday, he told me, on a vacuum cleaner that I sold him. So you'll see that. I won't say much more. But any other channels that you watch, I don't like harping for subscribers. If you like the stuff you watch, you subscribe. But please subscribe, it will make all the difference. It's not all about the money, although obviously with the money people can invest so you can see. But enough ranting. This special little out of canon video for the lights. In fact, I might just show you what it looks like. Hang on. Here we go. So this is that exact scene. Look, hello. Woo. That makes such a difference. Just those two lights, I mean, they're quite low at the minute, but already you can see the difference. You can actually see light, look, and shininess. If I turn these off, there's a bit of a difference, isn't there? They do work astonishingly well. So there we go. This is what I do with the money that I make from doing this. Try and invest in cheap, janky old kit to make stuff better. So, thank you very much for watching. Normal service will be resumed every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 whilst it lasts. Thank you very much for watching, and you'll see this very soon actually. Thursday I think is the first, so let's use this a lot at the weekend before it goes. It's been very good, but you all knew that anyway. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.